Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. We are here with Tony's 850. He's got a minor coolant leak on this radiator. When you dab it with a tissue or napkin or something, it's either going to come up red from transmission fluid or it's going to come up a clearer color for being coolant. And it did not come up red or black. But it looks like this transmission line connector is not on all the way. So I need to make sure that thing is on. We sure don't need this transmission line popping out while he's trying to drive somewhere. Yeah, that is definitely loose. Man, this line connection thing. Look, the whole connection is low. Look at this thing.
There's the problem.
Hold on, wait a second. See that? I shouldn't be able to turn that with my hand. You see it? The nut?
Yep.
Yeah, maybe that just needs to be tightened a little bit. But this connector here isn't on these lines right either. If that pops off while you're driving, you will lose your transmission. Let's try to get that on when I get back. And we're going to wire in a power seat for him. Tony tightened that nut up just a little bit. Snug it down. Maybe that'll stop the leak. We're going to clean it down with brake parts cleaner and see. Then we're going to get this line clipped in properly. And then we pulled both front seats. Yeah, just doing the video. See the lighter? And for some reason, the passenger seat was wired for power, but the driver's side was not. So we took the power from the passenger side, brought it over here to the driver's side, and we moved this fusible link from the front right side back here to the back left side, and that gives power to this driver's side seat. So to add power to these vehicles, you need to get those fusible links. That other position that fusible link was in was probably for the heated portion of the seat. And this seat was powered. The passenger seat wasn't, so we needed power to the driver's side. And the recliner, it seems to be stuck. We actually put a jump box on it in the salvage yard and know that the seat was stuck in this position. So we're doing the repair for the cable. So let me finish doing that, get this seat temporarily installed, make sure all the functions work, and then we'll deal with that radiator. Did the seat work? Yeah, it worked. So this is the seat. Recliner works. Forward, back works. Up and down works. Back down, back up works. So working power seat, people. All you got to do is plug a switch in to get heat. We're going to get this clip off of here, reset this clip, and hopefully get this snapped in place so this transmission line doesn't come loose. Aftermarket clips, got it in as best I could. I think it's clipped in, and we put a zip tie on it just for security. So we're going to wipe this down, try to wash it down, and check it for a leak in a day or two. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.